Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video we are going to review a new custom ROM which is Android 12 based custom ROM for Redmi Note 8. The ROM is perfect and stable for Redmi Note 8. In this video we are going to discuss some features and some corners of this custom ROM, and also the battery backup will be discussed in this video. So guys, watch the video till end. If you are new on this channel, please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates. Let's get started. So guys, let me check first the about of this custom ROM. If we check the about of this custom ROM, here we can go to settings and about phone. Here you guys can see the Android version is 12 and the ROM is Arrow OS, and the device here we are using is Redmi Note 8, and the security patch level here is 5th of November 2021, and the kernel here by default is Quicksilver kernel. Let me check the launcher of this custom ROM. As you guys can see, the launcher by default here is quick step launcher, and you will not get the much more customizations in this launcher, and not much more customizations in this custom ROM also. As you guys can see, let me just tap on the home screen. Here is the option of home setting, widgets and the wallpaper and style. If we check the home settings, here are the few settings of this custom ROM. The by default color in this custom ROM is gray, but if you change the wallpaper of this custom ROM, the color will be set accordingly. So guys, let me check some other features of this custom ROM. So guys, if you can see that there are not much more features of this custom ROM, but few of them has been added in this custom ROM. So let me check first the gestures of this custom ROM. As you guys can see, the one-handed mode has been introduced in this custom ROM. You can just enable it by just swipe down the bottom edge. So you can use this option as well. And here is the option of system navigation, and here are the gesture navigation and 3-button navigation, which is perfectly working in this custom ROM. Here are the option of advanced restart. You can just enable this and go to the bootloader as well. Let me just check the another option of this custom ROM. If we go to the display here, in display you can see these type of options here. Here is the option of dark theme and font size and display size, and you can just boost your colors as well. You can just use the double tap to back, which is perfectly working as well. Here is the option of status bar items. As you guys can see, the status bar items will be displayed as the status bar if you turn these options on. So guys, if we check the security option of this custom ROM, in security you have these type of options in this custom ROM, but the face lock is not available in this custom ROM as well. So here is the another option of wallpaper and style. In wallpaper and style, you can just choose the wallpaper and you can turn on the dark theme as well, but you have no option to choose the colors by default. The color will be set according to the wallpaper. So guys, let me check the another option, which is the network and internet. In network and internet, we have the separate option of internet here. As you guys can see, you can just turn on and off the internet option as well, and you can just see here the refresh option. You can just tap on this option and you can refresh the internet as well. But let me discuss some minor bugs of this custom ROM. The minor bug I have faced, first of all, this in MIUI camera. In MIUI camera, you didn't get the 48 megapixel option. The 48 megapixel is not working currently in any Android 12 based custom ROM, so you can't use the 48 megapixel option in any Android 12 custom ROM. So guys, the another feature which has been removed in this custom ROM is the network traffic speed. The network traffic speed has been removed in this section. So guys, you didn't have the network traffic speed by default in this custom ROM, so you have to use the third-party app for this option. So guys, this was all about the bugs. These were the minor bugs in this custom ROM which I have discussed with you. But the cool thing of this custom ROM is the battery backup. The battery backup is pretty nice and pretty cool as compared to other A12 custom ROMs. If we talk about the other A12 custom ROMs, you didn't get this much battery backup as in other custom ROMs. So the battery backup is very nice, and you can use this ROM as a daily driver. As I can share the another thing with you, the tiles here. As you guys can see, there are much more tiles as compared to other ROMs. And the other cool thing we can discuss with you guys is that the ROM is very smooth and the animation is very cool of this custom ROM. So guys, if you face any problem or you have any question regarding this custom ROM, you can comment below or you can join our Telegram channel for any questions. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.